One of the other things, Andrew Tate says, which I actually disagree with, is he says men shouldn't show emotions. And he says that when men show emotions, what happens? Well, they're more aggressive, there's more violence. If they're told to show emotions, there's all these, shootings and all this horrible stuff happens, right? And for me, we are human beings. We all have emotions, and we need to understand that. However, from a male point of view, your life is probably going to be pretty tough. You're going to be challenged physically by other males as you grow up and then into adulthood as well. But I've got a very stoic approach to how I teach this, and I really feel like it's about observing those emotions, asking yourself why you feel them, the whole triggering piece, and then saying, okay, how can I leverage those emotions to benefit me? It's not about disregarding your emotions entirely. True strength and true character and true masculinity is understanding where your emotions come from, neutralizing them, and then leveraging them to your ability.